Here I've got Samsung Galaxy A51 and let me show you how to change language on the following device. So at first you have to open list of all applications, then find and pick the settings. Here you have to go to General Management and then pick Language and Input. And just click on the first tab, which is Language. And by tapping on Add a Language, you can come along with the whole list of languages available in your device, so you can pick whichever you would like to have, whichever you would like to apply. Let me pick, for example, Portuguese. Then you have to select the region, set as default, wait a couple of seconds, and as you can see, it has been applied, so the whole device now is in Portuguese. You can use the device in the new setup language, and also obviously icons, the whole menu, everything is in Portuguese. And then whenever you would like to go back to English or change the language one more time, just open the settings, pick General Management, go to Languages one more time, and here you can either swipe English up to make it a default language. Just wait a couple of seconds. As you can see, the language has been already changed, or you can delete some particular language, for example Portuguese, by tapping on Remove. And then you can add another language by tapping on other language like previously. So this is it. That would be all. This is how you can smoothly, quickly and easily change language in your Samsung Galaxy A51. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.